Hello everyone and welcome to the crypto session brief. We're on Wednesday the 4th of May 2022. You're seeing risk assets catch a bid across the board so far today as we head into the FOMC, the big FOMC, the main event of the week later on this evening. So we've got Bitcoin currently at 39,000, we've got 40,000, the obvious target overhead, round number, psychological handle that we can look for. Of course, downside, you got this channel bottom, which has been providing plenty of support again, coming into it and bouncing off it over the past trading day. Below there, if you break below the 37,250, then we head down into 35. I'm favoring the long side. I've been mentioning inside the chat room and on these briefs this week that I'm envisaging potential buy the rumor, sell the fact type event with the FOMC. I'll relabel it in terms of what I'm expecting. By the 50 basis points hike, as in that's already been what's priced in. All the hawkishness that we've seen coming out over the past month from Powell, from Brainard, from some of the Uber doves inside the Fed who've been making comments about 50 basis points hikes back to back, 75 basis point hike, etc., etc. I don't see how the Fed can get any more hawkish, and in fact any slight hint of dovishness within the statement or within the press conference, and I feel like you'll see a pullback at least in the short term on that US dollar, and risk might just catch a bid. Of course, it's been looking to find one. It's been heading south for quite some time with sellers very much in control, but especially with Bitcoin here poised at that channel bottom, we will be able to look for a move higher now and a move up into 40,000 at least, and maybe even that 41,267 could be targeted. Ethereum, likewise, you've come into a major support handle at 2770. Been able to find support there so far, but as has been the case on the H4, as you can see here, several lower highs in this overall move lower since that high from early on in April, and a move down could be continued, could be expected to continue, especially if 2770 doesn't hold. But we do have a nice platform here. Was resistance in the past, has turned into support again. If we do see a bidding risk, then we can move up and target initially at the 3000 handle, 125 points away, and then up into the 3175. Litecoin has been mean reverting around the 100 area over the past week. Looking to inch back above 102 and move into 105 is probably most likely from here, and then 115 overhead is my upside target. Downside support continues to come in around that 94-93 region. Wrapping up the brief with Ripple 0.6196 right now. Overhead we can see a move into 0.6537. Line in the sand for this market 0.6175 for me. Downside, as you can see, basically that low of the week so far. When we inch down there, you can see anywhere around these areas you got that correction low there around 0.55, and then the lows from here where you saw some moves off the high lows, you could say 0.5773 and then at 0.5860. So they're the main three areas that I'll be watching to the downside. But again, if you see a risk, if you see a bid in risk assets, maybe you see that spike higher in Ripple into 65 cents and 40. That's it from my end. Anything else will be inside the chat room. Of course, we anticipate the FOMC, and I'll be updating that throughout the trading day within the X chat. Until next time, all the best with your trading, and bye for now.